with skin, with skin, because skin, when you char grill, put in the grill, they will be very delicious with the skin. This chicken leg is quite healthy, big chicken. So I just okay. Okay, chicken I already cut. Now I'm going to show you guys how to marinate. This is a garlic already peeled, and chili, and this is yogurt, lemon juice. So what we will do, we'll add in the add also coriander. Okay guys, this is chili powder. Okay, if you don't have chili powder, you just add green or red chili. Fresh one is okay if you don't have chili powder. Okay, salt, coriander, yogurt. This yogurt is enough. And then this is galangal. Galangal, if you don't have galangal, you can use ginger. Now, and then lemon, 1.5 lemon for this five piece chicken leg. Yeah. Now I'm going to make a mixture and show you later. Now remember one thing, garlic and chili like this, because when you will cook it, if you paste too much garlic, the garlic will burn and give bad smell, and meat will be rotten and dark. Okay, so garlic always big size like this. Okay, because if you don't have like this, you just cut it with knife. Okay, cut it with knife, chop it with knife, don't use any chopper. Okay, one thing I forget to tell you, we add olive oil. Okay, olive oil, if you don't have olive oil, you just put any olive oil, just half cup. Okay, or 2-3 teaspoon is okay. Olive oil to give shining and flavor in the chicken. Okay, because this is important. Now 1.5 lemon I put, coriander about 10 gram, chili powder is about 15 gram, 5 whole chili, and garlic like 3 teaspoon, 3 spoon, and yogurt I put like 200 gram yogurt. Now with olive oil, this is with salt. You can add black pepper or white pepper also, but not too much because otherwise too spicy. And then we do mixture. Okay, you see the marination is done. Now we will apply to chicken. Now remember, because me, I eat less salt, I eat less spicy. When you will cook on charcoal grill, okay, this is the recipe for charcoal. And then when you will cook on charcoal, most of the spices will burn out. Okay, I mean not burn out, but wash away in the char grill. Okay, so try to marinate it for 24 hours. Now remember, lemon, I removed the juice already, then I cut skin and put it in there because skin have a lot of zest. Zest gives a lot of flavor in the meat. Okay, any kind of meat. Now I put this little filling down there, and then I will add chicken. Okay, add chicken like this and like this. Okay, 2 pieces. Then add some so we add some more filling on the top. Okay, that's it. And we put them like this, so they will equally marinated. Okay, if you mix too much, put in the meat and you use your hand and you broke the meat. So next one. Okay, 6 pieces. I was thinking 5 pieces. And then the same thing, we apply some marination up here. Okay, then the next one, the next one. Now we put the whole marination on the top. Okay, I need to squeeze it out. Now you see the marination, you can apply with your hand and then press it, because marination will equally go around with the meat. Because this part you're not going to eat, okay, doesn't matter, this is not marinated because you're not going to eat, but anyway, when it stay 24 hours in here, it will be marinated too. Press it down, okay, and then there's things like that you can. This is very nice tasty lemon zest, okay. This recipe is for charcoal grill, okay, charcoal grill barbecue. You can make shawarma, you can make kebab, or you can make boneless chicken, you can make tikka, something like that. This is without coloring, okay. Okay, I transfer to container which is for storage in the fridge, and this is cover. You can cover it for 24 hours and next day you can cook. It will be double delicious. If you cook same time, it's still okay, no problem, but not that tasty. Okay, now I have salamander oven because I cannot open charcoal now. It's too much to do out there, but I will use this chicken cook in salamander. Now remember, remove the too much marination, try to remove like this, okay, because too much marination will make chicken burn and black. So put it up here in salamander, sorry, okay, like this, and then let the machine to do the job. This is 2000 degree heat up there from the top to bottom, and this will cook chicken 15 to 20 minutes. Now you see already 8 minutes on the fire, and then this one I make a flour. This flour is called atta. Okay, I show you. Okay, this is flour called atta. Okay, atta is, this is the spelling ATTA, atta. Now if you don't find this atta in Philippines, you can find a plain flour. This is plain flour for cake, for biscuits, for bakery material, this one. So you can have this one, you can make it with that. Now I make my bread, and within total things I done is takes me 20 minute cutting, marination, everything, flour, and ready my things also to, and my cook my tampalaya already. So 20 minutes takes me all to do. Now I will make my bread, I show you guys. This is how the atta flour look, okay. Atta flour means it's a total whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour you I don't think have in Philippines. So this one specially sold by Pakistani and Indian shops. Now you roll your bread like this, and then this is the hot plate, okay. Make it very hot, very hot, and then you put your bread on it. Okay, you see I put my one bread, within 30 seconds I'm almost ready the other one, and then turn it around, little bit olive oil. If olive oil is okay, no problem, but if you don't have olive oil, you can just cook it dry. You can see the bread have color already and it's pumping up. Okay, bread is done. Bread takes only if your fire is too slow, it takes 1.5 minutes, mostly 1 minute. Bread is done. That's it. Time, take it out. That's it. Now you remember, when you cook bread, you make very hot the pan. Okay, after making very hot the pan, you slow down the fire. Okay, slow down, because if your fire is too high, the bread is burn outside, inside is raw. So when you will eat it, your stomach will have problems. Okay, so make it sure that you slow the fire after you heating the pan. That's slow. Okay, now guys, the chicken is done. One side. Okay, one side already 15 minutes. And then the bread also done. Just little bit, and then I turn it around. Chicken usually 15 minutes is enough to cook. Okay, now this chicken is quite healthy, strong, big, quite heavy, almost 300-400 gram one chicken leg, so it takes little more time to cook it, maybe another 6 to 7 minutes. Now I have ampalaya here. Ampalaya also done. Then I make carrot sweet, and then this is mint sauce. Mint sauce. Mint sauce is very important for any barbecues, because any sauce, must be have sauce. So this mint sauce recipe is in my YouTube channel. I will link it and I will send it to you guys, and then you can find also there, because I make in Urdu, but you can see the ingredients. Okay, this is the chicken ready already. I'm going to cut and put there. Okay, you see this is skin side up. You cannot see the skin, right? And this is skin side down. So front. Now skin side down, you can see more cook on the bone side, and very little, only 5 minutes in this side. So total 20-minute cooking, because the chicken was huge. Okay, now I'll show you guys later. Okay, this is ready to eat now. Mint sauce for chicken, then I have side dish ampalaya, and that's it.